Hey, good afternoon everybody. How you doing? This is Dean Chiusano again with John R. Wood Properties. And now I'm here in Botanica Lakes. We're on Treeline Ave, about 4 or so miles away from Daniels Parkway. Great community, situated in a great area. I listed this one about 40 days ago or so, right before we started to get into the quarantine. So like most of the other listings that have been coming on the market lately, just not a lot of showings because of what's been going on. So I'd like to take you inside this one. Give you a little look around. It's really just a nice house and the most affordable here in Botanica Lakes. So let's go on and take a look around. All right, so here we are just inside the front door at 11032 Yellow Poplar in Botanica Lakes. This is the most affordable house in the neighborhood, 218 I have it listed at. And you can see right away you get some great light through your lanai in this main living area and a nice view of the pond out back. So I'm going to rotate here to the left. The master bedroom will be in there. I'll take you in a second. And you will have your kitchen and dining area in the middle of the house right here. So here's your dining area. I will pan to the left. And here you'll have your kitchen area. Granite countertops, nice dark appliances, nice tall wood cabinets, tile throughout the main living area as well. And then I will turn around here and just give you an idea of where I came in. Front door. And then right here off the kitchen is the hallway to all the bedrooms. They're all in the back, facing the street. Nice guest bathroom right here on the right. Nice shower. Guest bedroom number 1. Guest bedroom number 2. Neutral colors on the paint. So a very nice, well-kept house. I'll turn around here and take you guys down the hallway. Door here on your left will be to the garage. And now let's head back through the living room. And you're going to go left here, right into the master. Nice master bedroom. Nice bathroom. Granite on the sink and countertop. Nice glass shower. So yeah, nice little house. 1,300 square feet, perfect for a small family. 3 bedrooms. For a single family home in a gated community with a pool and a weight room. I mean, some other amenities. This is just a nice house for this price. You don't find anything this low in here. It's really a great little house. And the reason is because there is a 1-car garage, so it is a little bit smaller, but yeah, great house. Let's go out to the lanai. All right, here we are walking around the side of the house. You're gonna have your lanai right here on the left. Really nice little sitting area. And you have this beautiful view back here of your pond. Now this community is cool in a sense that they will let you, if you're interested, put a fence out here if you have pets, add a pool if that's something you're interested in. Obviously all of this stuff is with association approval, but just one nice little extra that this house and community offers. So yeah, nice shot from the lanai from the back and a quick pan of your outdoor view of the water. So very nice spot, cute little single family home right here in Botanica Lakes. Let's go back out front. All right, and there you have it, a beautiful single family home here in Botanica Lakes. 3 bedrooms, 2 bathrooms, 1,300 square feet, listed at $218,000. Thanks so much for joining me today. Really appreciate it. I'll see you next time. And also, I leave my contact information in the bottom of the YouTube page underneath the comments. So if you have any questions at all, that's my cell number. Feel free to give me a call, shoot me a text, whatever you prefer. So thanks again, and I'll see you next time.